Hey guys, what's up? The Bus channel here, and today I'm going to be unboxing something, and I'll just show you this quick. Here's the Johnson's, whatever you call it, brochure, I think. I got it from Tesco's, obviously. There's the front, and there's the back. So, getting into the unboxing. Obviously it's a 2020 brochure. We won't be going with Kirby Stevenson, unfortunately, in R4. She won't be ready, but I'll still be there, hopefully. Shit, I better not pin the thing. Idiot. There we go. What have we got here? Oh, okay. So it's actually sent me some extra ones, which I like. So, the one I ordered. Oh my god, he sent me some photos as well. So, we have got, the one I ordered is a 2016 Johnson's timetable. Obviously, they don't have these buses anymore. And this one is PN090 and MJ, which is now at Sanders Coaches along with the rest of them. New service to Solihull. Equipped with Euro 6. Oh, it's got a bit about it when they had their new MMCs, which is quite cool. S20 service does not exist no more. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Quite rare, I think. What's new? Nothing in this. This is an out-to-date timetable, but I brought it because I like it. Now how the hell do you put this thing back? Where's you do it like that? So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Behind me. And then here we have an extra timetable that he sent me just to keep this for that one more protected. Still going to keep it. It's a Tamworth route number 4. Front, back, and it's from September 4th September 2017. Bus on the front is YX63ZXL. So yeah, here's the front, and there's the back. And he's also sent me a couple of photos. So yeah, here we have a Travel West Midlands. I did not pay for these, by the way. BB46 AOP is front, there's the back. Next, we have a Travel West Midlands again, I think. BU51 RYA, I think, is front, there's the back. Next, we have you guessed it, a Travel West Midlands. That's a Travel West Midlands photo collection or something. This one is W116DOP, I think. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Last but not least, we have a Travel West Midlands S406MVP. Here's the front, there's the back. So now, that's all out of the way. All that's left to do now is get a thumbnail. So just move everything out of the way. I'm glad he sent me these extra stuff. There's nothing left in there. Stick that there. The only thing I brought out of these is obviously the timetable one. So I'll move that there. Move that. Move that, and move that. Yes. Oh, there we go. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.